Hello everyone and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. Today I want to share with you how to use the Snip and Sketch tool that we have incorporated recently in Windows 10. So you can use it to kind of snip around to take screenshot of your documents and with very good resolution and attach it to your document or reports or writing or articles or thereabout. So to get to the Snip and Sketch, all you need to do is to come over to this search bar here and just search Snip and Sketch. So you see it here, Snip and Sketch. So you click on it. This is the window that comes up. You can press Windows logo key also plus Shift plus S to snip what's on your screen directly. So this is a shortcut to snip what is on your screen directly. You can just press the Windows logo plus Shift plus S and it will directly take a snapshot of what you have on your screen. Alternatively, once you you go to the screen, you can just click on new and then you can just snap. So let's try an example to see how it all looks. So for example, we are on this Google page and we want to take a shot of this small baby lion. So we can come all the way down and take the snipping tool and we say we want to snap a new one. Once you click on snap, you will see a bunch of things that comes up. You can do a normal snap by just going to the location directly and highlighting and dragging the areas you want to snip, or you can do a freeform snip. You can just click on this and you can draw the line or the areas you want to snip, or you can do window snip to snip the entire window, or you can do full screen snip. It will do just full screen. This is very interesting because it will give you the entire window that you want to snip. So later on you can crop and edit to your liking. But for now, let's go with the rectangular snip. So once you click on rectangular snip and just come over here, you just highlight the area where you want to snip directly and it will just snip like this. Once you're okay with this photo, you just raise up your hand and it will show you the snipping result. So down here you have the option to touch some writing. You can do some writing. You can write, you can do the ball pen writing. You can touch this and you can write directly on it. Once you touch, you can check the coloration. You can use any kind of color and you can change the sizing from here of the the pen tip. Okay, you can use small or big size depending on your choice, and you can just easily write very easily on the image. And you can use this pencil also. You can enable the size also and coloration. You can use different color and different size, and you can write accordingly also. You can use this highlighter. If you have any part that you want to highlight, you can do that with this also very easily. And then you have the eraser, which you can use to erase any part of the component that you don't want. Also, you have the ruler to know the measurement of what you are going to cut and what you are going to draw on. So the ruler can help you to know your measurement and everything. And then over here you have the option to crop the image from the edges accordingly. You can start by cropping this way and it will just crop like that. You can crop accordingly if you want to get just the face of this animal, and once you're done, you click on apply or enter. Okay, you click on this. Okay, you have a normal ruler, or you have a protractor. If you want to use it with a protractor, you can use protractor also to take the measurement as you wish. So down here you can zoom out the image. You can zoom to full size, or you can zoom out or zoom in to according to your liking to see whatever you want to see. And you can copy this and paste in your Microsoft Word document. For example, you can just copy this and you can navigate to your Word document and just paste it there directly, just like that, and it will be pasted. Or you have the option to share with your friends. Once you click on this share, you can share with other people, maybe through their email, or you can get a shareable link. For example, you can share with your friends either through their mail. You can go to the mail and send it, or you can use OneNote, or you can share directly by even turning on the nearby sharing, and you can send it through the Wi-Fi or thereabout. So these are methods in which you can share. Down here to the three dots, you have the option to open the file where you saved it or you open with. You can print this in PDF, or you can send it to the printer directly. And you have other settings down here. You can enable the auto copy to clipboard, so this is enabled. So once you finish once you copy, it will stay in the clipboard. You can save snip automatically. It will ask to save before closing. Once you attempt to close, it will ask you to save first, so you can enable this. And multiple windows, you can do multiple windows if you want at a time. Okay, and you can do snip outline. You can add outlines to your snip very easily. So all this you can enable from this. You can go back. These are virtually everything you need to know about snip. Down here you can undo any kind of changes. For example, the write-up that we have just cleaned, we can undo them, and you can redo also if you want to redo, and you can check in to take another snip. So this is how to use the snip and sketch tool. It's snip and sketch because you can take the image and you can sketch on it as well, do different kind of sketching. That's why it's called snip and sketch. So ladies and gentlemen, this is about snip and sketch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.